Impulsivity control. Tips that really work. Let's think about this together. Have you ever felt a sudden urge, a late-night snack, an impulse buy, or a comment blurted out, and wished you hadn't? That feeling is called impulsivity, and you're not alone. What is impulsivity? Impulsivity means acting quickly without thinking through the consequences. Doing what feels good now, even if it causes problems later. It's common across the population and appears in everyday moments as well as in conditions like ADHD. Why it happens? 2 simple brain facts help explain impulses. First, the prefrontal cortex, the brain's brake for planning and self-control, keeps developing into young adulthood until around age 25, which helps explain why teens and some young adults act more impulsively. Second, chemical systems that drive reward, especially dopamine, and balance it, serotonin and others, affects how strongly we want immediate rewards. Control impulsivity. Practical tips. Imagine you see a late-night sale and buy something you don't need. Next day, regret. Small pattern, big waste. The good news, small steps change that pattern. Let's walk through quick, practical steps you can start today. 1. Pause and plan. Use an if-then rule. Before you act, pause. Make one simple if-then plan. If I feel like buying, then I'll wait 24 to 48 hours and list pros, cons. This kind of implementation intention reliably turns impulse into choice. It makes the right action automatic. 2. Change the environment. Remove triggers, change the cue. Unsave payment info, turn off push notifications, or move snacks out of sight. Small barriers remove the quick path from urge to action. 3. Add friction. Make the impulse harder. Add small steps between urge and action. Require a password, use a shopping wish list instead of one-click buy, or set timers. Friction gives your slower thinking brain time to take over. 4. Name the urge. Plus, breathe. When an urge hits, say to yourself, "I'm noticing an urge." Then do a 60-second breathing reset. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 4. Naming and pausing increases awareness and reduces automatic reactions. Mindfulness practices and training in emotional regulation help with impulsive acts. 5. Swap and strengthen. Healthier, quick alternatives. Swap the impulsive option for a quick alternative. For late-night snacking, have a 20 to 30 g protein snack. Greek yogurt, nuts, ready. Protein reliably increases short-term fullness and reduces cravings. Practice small wins consistently. Over time, your self-control strengthens. Final advice. If impulsivity is causing repeated harm, big financial losses, risky behavior, self-harm, talk to a clinician. Evidence-based therapies such as CBT and DBT help people with severe or persistent impulsivity. Pause. Recap. Pause and plan, change triggers, add friction, name and breathe, then swap to a better option. Try just one of these today and notice the difference. Which step will you try? Tell me in the comments. Let's learn together. If this helped, like and subscribe for weekly science-backed habit tips. Share with someone trying to curb impulses.